Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for an incredible mirror for your bathroom, this one from Keonjinn is so awesome.
I was blown away from the second I opened this package. It is so well packed that you know you are going to get a mirror that is in perfect condition. It comes with everything you need, and installation was so easy. My husband was able to install this in about 20 minutes, and it went so smoothly. I really appreciate the design where you can adjust these brackets on the side so that you are able to tilt your mirror up and down, getting the best angle. Now hold for some ASMR. This mirror came in the 20 by 24-inch size, and I love that they gave you the option to either mount it horizontally or vertically. And it really is the perfect mirror for stuff like doing your makeup. I love tilting it up so I get better light, and then tilting it down so I can see my outfit. I love that it's matte and it really goes with our rustic farmhouse decor. I am so happy with this mirror.
Even though my bathroom is still under construction, adding this mirror has helped bring it that much closer to being finished. I am so happy with it. I think it's super unique, and that's my point of view.